What is up, y'all, and welcome back to Qui Nichelle. We're on the channel. Y'all know we talk about fashion, beauty, and life. And y'all, I am on my way to the nail shop. But anyway, before we get into this little vlog at the nail shop, honey, make sure that you do like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, make sure you tell a friend to tell a friend about Qui Nichelle, because y'all know how we do on the channel. But yeah, y'all, I'm about to go get my nails done. And that's it. I might go in rainbow because I haven't been in rainbow in a little minute. But y'all know rainbow trying to get a little testy now. And we all know the rainbow clothes is just for a little razzle dazzle. But anyway, y'all, let's go get some money. And tell me if they charge at the nail shop where y'all go if you use your card. Honey, I'm not paying nothing extra. So we're about to go get some cash. I'll see y'all in a minute.
Like Scarface, get that white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent, I'm your day one. We had shit, yeah, it was magic. Like you do, you do.
Look at her. Look at her mama, man. Look at her. That ain't my girl. That's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her.
I'm out of the nail shop, honey, and these are the new nails. Really, really cute and different. Y'all, I found this cute little design on Pinterest, and I showed it to my girl, and she nailed it. Love, love, love these. So freaking cute and so random, just like your girl, honey. So now we about to go. Oh, am I gonna go get something to eat, or I might go get a snack? And then, honey, we're gonna go home. But yes, look at them, y'all. Super cute. Super cute.
Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I fuck your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too.
We are now at home, so that is the end of this little vlog. I'm gonna give y'all one more little razzle dazzle of the nails. So freaking cute. I'm also gonna put a picture up so y'all can see how my girl nailed it. My girl Lisa always get me right. I never really get nothing like this. Y'all already know. I be kind of like in the pink and white or like all pink. Y'all already know my get down. But my girl nailed this. I said, can you do this? She said, oh yeah, that's easy. I said, run it. Let's go. But anyway, y'all, make sure that you do shop the website for the lip gloss and lip oil, the cups, the clothes, whatever y'all need and want, honey. QueeNichelle.BigCartel.com. Also, make sure you do like, comment, share, and subscribe to the video. Thumbs the video up, all of that. And y'all already know, honey, we wrapping it up. So we are out.
Girl, I know you feel me, yeah. So much to live for, true, baby. Let's not rush into it now. Let's not rush into it. When we get to it, we can give it all that we got.